Welcome. This is the term 4 final test review session. I'm going to be covering questions number 1. What is the domain and range for each of the quadratic function? The domain, let's look and see what the word domain means. The domain is referred as the x value. And to find the x value, you can look at it from left to right. So let's see here for this one. You are looking at it from left to right. On the left hand side, notice that this has an arrow. This goes all the way to the left hand side. It goes from -2, -4, -8, then it goes all the way to -infinity. So the domain from the left side is -infinity, and if you go to the right, it goes all the way from 1, 2, 3, all the way to 4, 5, all the way to positive infinity because the arrow keeps going. So it is -infinity all the way to positive infinity, and it is open at the parentheses. Next, let's take a look at the range. The range is referred to be the y value. When we look at the y value, we are going from the bottom. So we're going to look from down all the way till we look up. In this problem, we look down and we go all the way to negative infinity, then we look up. -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. It goes up here and it stops here at 4. See how it stops there at 4? So it goes from negative infinity, comma, goes all the way to 4. At negative infinity, it's open, and at 4, it's closed because it touches that. Let me explain this one more time. It is a parentheses because it is open. You can never close it at infinity. And here it is bracket because it is closed because it touches that 4. Next, let's go to question B. Same process here. We are going to look at the domain. Then we're going to look at the range. The domain is going to be your x values that you look left to right. If I look left, it goes to 2, 0, -2, all the way to -infinity. Why? Because there is an arrow here. So it goes from -infinity. If you go to the right, it goes to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, all the way to positive infinity. So it's -infinity all the way to positive infinity, and it is open on both ends. Next, we want to look at the range. The range is going to be the y value that you look down all the way up. If we look down, do we start here? No. Do we start here? No. We start here when y is equal to 0. So y equals to 0 here, and we go all the way up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We keep going because again there's an arrow. We go all the way to positive infinity. So the range starts from 0 all the way to positive infinity. Positive infinity, we open it, and at 0 it touches 0, so we closed it at 0. So there you go. That is number 1.